Welcome to the frontier of camping innovation. Discover the extraordinary world of next-level camping inventions, where tents talk to nature and gadgets fuel adventures. Get ready for a glimpse into a world where smart technology meets the great outdoors. Zempire is a famous company in New Zealand that makes really good camping stuff, especially tents. Let's talk about their tents. The 4-person Prot TMV2 is super quick to set up, taking less than 2 minutes to inflate. Then there's the Pro 3V2, which is bigger and can fit 8 people. It's cool because it has special fabric in the sleeping area that spreads light nicely. But remember, these tents from Zempire can be a bit expensive. For instance, the Pro 3V2 costs around $3,634. The people who made the WaterWarmer believe it's the greatest outdoor water heater. It can heat up 3.8 liters of water to 80 degrees Celsius in only 2 minutes. It has 5 different temperature settings, starting from 20 degrees to as high as 100 degrees Celsius. What's cool is that it can even clean water by using something called electrolysis. You can get one for $169. Paxis found a cool way to sell backpacks. They took a normal backpack and added a section at the bottom that swings out. That's their invention. They sell it for $200, but sometimes it's on sale for $130. The swinging part can hold up to 2.3 kilograms of stuff, and the whole backpack can carry 30 liters. It comes with pockets on the outside and inside, a back that lets air through, and a strap for your waist. Just like other backpacks, Paxis did a great job getting patents for this. The folks who made Nebula Mars 3 have a fantastic tale to tell. They've made the very first projector that you can use outside. This Nebula M3 can make a screen as big as 200 inches by 100 inches, with a super clear picture of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It's really bright too, with 1000 NSE lumens, all thanks to its 185 watt-hour battery. You get a full 5 hours of movie time in one go. Want your own Nebula Mars 3? It's available for around $1,050. As for liking, sharing, and subscribing, let's make it a starry event. Imagine each click twinkling in the galaxy of support for awesome information. So hit those buttons like they're constellations, share like you're passing a shining comet, and subscribe to keep riding this cosmic journey together. Now, we're going to discuss a portable light called Goal Zero Skylight. The people who made it think it's good for fun activities and also for jobs. You can change how tall the light is, from 1.2 to 3.6 meters. When it's as tall as it can go, it can light up a space as big as 92 square meters. A full charge makes the light work for about 8 hours. Its warm light can make a place feel nice and cozy. You can buy this light for around $300. This special propane burner improves the way we camp with technology. The people who made it suggest using it for your campfire desires. If you have a 9-kilogram propane tank, this burner will keep working for about 26 hours. It's not heavy, just 1.4 kilograms. It gives you all the good parts of a campfire without dealing with wood and smoke troubles. You can buy one for about $129. The furniture of tomorrow is already available, all thanks to ANKA MG. They created a table that's super flexible. It fits perfectly in apartments and when you go camping. Inside this table, the ANKA MG team added a big 20,000 mAh battery, wireless charging, cool Bluetooth speakers, and colorful RGB lights. Plus, the table's legs can fold and it has a small handle built in, making it easy to carry around. You can buy this amazing table for $139. The RBM Outdoors inflatable tents are so comfy that they're used at glamping spots, which are like camping areas with hotel-like conveniences. The Panda Air tent can hold up to 8 folks and is great for vacations almost all year round, as long as it's above 0 degrees Celsius. This tent spans 12 square meters and costs $1,580. People who love camping often have to save space in their backpacks for their gear. Hideaway offers foldable bowls and cups to make packing and storing easier. The folded 0.9-liter bowl is only 2.5 centimeters thick, but it costs $20. From 1979, the global mosquito population has increased by 71%. This increase has made outdoor activities such as hiking and camping harder for many folks. The 3D Flow Jacket comes as a solution. It's stylish, provides excellent airflow, and has a unique net, akin to what beekeepers use. The jacket's material keeps mosquitoes away while allowing air to pass through, preventing excessive sweating. You can buy this jacket for $229. Presenting the world's strongest home mosquito repellent. This gadget forms a zone that keeps mosquitoes away. Covering an area of 9.1 meters, you'll start noticing its effect in just 15 minutes. To make the repeller work, you'll need special mats. 2 of these mats offer protection for 10 to 12 hours. When fully charged, the 10,400 mAh device gives you 6 hours of outdoor defense and 12 hours indoors. If you buy it with 10 mats, this repellent costs $72. When you're camping and have lots of gadgets, you might need a way to keep them powered up. The BALDR portable charging station can help you with that. Its 288-watt battery can be charged using a regular wall socket, a car cigarette lighter, or a solar panel. With a fully charged BALDR, you can charge up to 4 laptops or 22 smartphones. Plus, this station keeps your gadgets safe from overcharging and short circuits. You can buy the BALDR for $150. Companies that create camping equipment also think about people who love food. Nomad Kitchen has a fancy mobile kitchen available in its basic form. This kitchen costs $1,200. It includes a pull-out design with a sink, a small cooking area, a drawer for a 2-burner stove, and other useful things. When it's folded, this kitchen can fit easily behind the back seats of a car. There's a device named Spark that helps you charge your smartphone, tablet, and other devices using fire. It might seem unbelievable, but how it works is pretty straightforward. The gadget looks like a special mug with a plate at one end. You put one side of the plate in the fire, while the other touches the mug filled with cold water. This temperature difference creates about 2 to 5 watts of energy, which can charge a smartphone in about 2 hours. This gadget isn't just useful for campers. It's also great for people living in places without dependable electricity. The Spark costs $100.